here is how you can see your Wi-Fi password on the iPhone, and let's get started. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you have a few options. Like if you open up your settings, tap on Wi-Fi, you can see that upon going to the information button, you should be able to see some things which are about this network. So you should be able to see some stuff in here, but the passwords, it could be here, it doesn't have to be. So the surest way to find out about it is by going to the passwords application, which is a dedicated password manager made by Apple. And in there, all of the passwords are stored, but we have a dedicated section for Wi-Fi. So you can get inside of the Wi-Fi, and all of the devices and all of the connections which you have made in the past to various different networks are going to be stored in here. So you have the ability to tap on it like that and see the password. So it's going to show up like that. It's even giving you the ability to copy it like that. And it's making sure that you don't have to like manually retype it, so you can just copy it and you have the ability to send it over. Or you as well have the ability to show network QR code, which means that you have the ability to share it like that with other person, which can use their camera to scan it and connect to the network like that. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to explain it to you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the future videos too.